हेलो एंड वेलकम फास्ट फॉरवर्ड व्यूअर्स। अब थंबनेल देख के तो आप लोग समझ ही गए होंगे दैट वी हैव अराइव्ड एट द भारत मोबिलिटी ग्लोबल एक्सपो 2025. मगर I am making this particular video because apart from the highlight launches which are your Suzuki e-Vitaras and the Hyundai Creta Electrics, there is so much more unique and lovable to see for car enthusiasts at the Global Expo this year. And in this quick video, I will take you through a lot of them, so please stay tuned. अब मैं आ गया हूँ टाटा मोटर्स के पोडियम पे। बॉस, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी रियली इंटरेस्टिंग, सो स्टिक अराउंड। अ लॉट ऑफ हाइप इज गोइंग ऑन अराउंड डार्क एडिशन SUVs, ब्लैक एडिशन SUVs, and Tata was one of the first brands to start it. But people thought that this trend is almost over, but not if Tata has anything to do with it, because they have taken it a step further. These are the Stealth Edition Tata Motor SUVs. Now this is the Safari in the Stealth Edition, but more importantly, this is the Harrier EV in its Stealth Edition. Now Stealth Edition brings this matte finished graphite color, blacked out wheels and a lot more things. But most importantly, come here, I'll show you. The Harrier EV has also brought all-wheel drive to the Harrier platform in its electric avatar. Now Tata calls it the QWD dual motor, which means that the Harrier EV has two motors, all-wheel drive, and pushes out 500 Newton meters of torque. I'm sure customers will be really excited to see the Stealth Edition out on the roads. You let us know in the comments, and let Tata also know how soon you want the Stealth Edition to come out. Now it's not only production ready and production cars that are here on display. Of course, Tata has one of the biggest podiums at the expo this year, and one of the highlights that Tata has on display this time is this: the Tata Motors Avinya X concept vehicle. Now currently, as we know, there is no details, no technical details that have been shared by Tata Motors about the Avinya X, but from what we can tell you is, of course, it's a huge concept car, over 5 meters long. It's got that coupe style design, and it is sitting on 22-inch tires wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires. And look what we have here. Now this is the Tata Punch Flex Fuel that runs on bioethanol. Now we have seen the Tata Punch in petrol, we have seen it in CNG, we have even seen it in electric, but this is the flex fuel version that is being showcased here at the 2025 Global Expo. You will see a very bright and yellow SUV, and that is nothing else but the resurgence of the Tata Sierra. Now before I take you to the highline launches of MG Motor India, let's just take a look at the car that has just been unveiled, the Majestor. So we have just covered the Majestor, how it looks, what kind of expectations the market has from it, and you will be seeing all of those footages on your screens right now. Okay, so it was very difficult to get into this section because everyone wants to have a look at the MG Cyberster. Now here it is in the flesh. The electric two-door roadster that has scissor doors, a lot of tech, and just it just captures your imagination in such an exciting way that a lot of people are looking forward for this to launch in India. Expected prices are around the rupees 60 to 65 lakh. However, the brand has not confirmed any details around the pricing yet. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of cars sitting here at the VinFast podium. The VF9 is one of their biggest D-segment SUVs that they have in their portfolio, but we also have a VinFast concept car standing here. Looks pretty wild and is called wild as well. Come closer, let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is concept car which is obviously built to go off-road. Probably 4x4, we can expect that VinFast plans has designed it to be a 4x4 with all-wheel drive and a lot of power as well. You'll take a closer look, you'll get to see that there are bucket seats inside this on the front. has a massive infotainment screen in the middle, and that's not all, because it's also got really cool suicide doors, as you can see back there. So you see, it's just not the highlight launches. There is just so much more to cover and watch as a car enthusiast at the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025. Now let's continue our journey, because I've got some more interesting stuff to show you. Now the Mini Cooper section here is also really exciting. It's got the Countryman, it's got the Mini Cooper S, but what has just been unveiled is the Mini Cooper John Cooper Works Edition that you see on your screen right now. It's finished in a very stealthy looking black on black finish, and let's take a quick look around. When compared to the Cooper S, the JCW version gets different alloy wheels there. It also gets a different body kit for the front and rear bumper units that you see right down there. But most importantly, being a JCW version, it is a much more mean performer than the Cooper S that we have driven on our channel earlier. So that was a quick video on all the podium checks that we ended up doing at the 2025 Bharat Mobility Global Expo. Now, apart from the highlight launches, of course, there was so much there to see. So many brands, Kia, Tata Motors, MG Motors, all of them have brought in such great showcase models. There is even VinFast from Vietnam, from all the way to Vietnam, now gearing up to enter the Indian market, and so much was there to see. Now, if you did not get a chance to visit this year, then I hope this video does answer some questions for you. Until next time, let us know what you thought about the expo and the podiums that I showed you in this video in the comment section below. Like always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Fast Forward channel for more such content.